Hello, my name is Ryan. These are my compatriots Devin and Madeline. Together we form Team 336-2 TriBURN Industries. The latest TriBURN Industries product is a completely autonomous tank, playing a game with the human control tank, which receives its input from this LEGO control panel here. The robots both use two light sensors to navigate, a funnel to catch shots, and an angle sensor to tell if there is a shot in the funnel, and an NXTBee radio, which they use to communicate with the control bot, which has a similar device. They also both have two drive motors, and one motor to control elevation of the firing mechanism, and the other to perform the actual shooting operation. Now I'll hand it over to our communications specialist, Madeline.
This control panel communicates with both robots. It uses buttons to send basic movement and firing commands to the user-controlled robot, and the AI, it keeps track of the coordinates of the user-controlled bot, which it can send to them, and it keeps track of the movement, because each robot is only allowed 2 moves during the game. It can move 1 square forward, and it can fire in any combination thereof. My teammate Devin will discuss the AI robot in more detail.
So the actual development board that we test the AI and user-controlled robots on is actually set up in a coordinate plane, with the starting square being 1, 1, and the x square is increasing y value, and these increasing x value. Now, what the actual algorithm uses is taking the user-controlled coordinates and subtracting the AI's coordinates. In this case, it's taking 1, 1, and subtracting 5, 5 from it, therefore giving us an x vector and a y vector of -4, -4. Those are the amount of spaces each needs to move on the x-plane and on the x and y axis in order to get to the spot. Now obviously we don't want to run the other robot over, so what we'll do then is we'll wait until it was within 2 spaces and then it will attempt to fire. Now we will intend to show you this in action.
This is the user-controlled robot. It receives all of its input from this LEGO control panel, which I will be driving it. And the game is composed of turn-based strategy. You have 2 actions you can take, a move forward action or a fire action, and you can use those actions in any combination that you so choose.
So this is the AI robot. It will calculate the distance to that robot, attempt to move forward and shoot it. Let's see what happens. So that has just sent its coordinates to here. So using those coordinates, it is calculating out its correct coordinates to that one using our TriStar algorithm. It's now going to attempt to move that while following the rules, of course. We don't want our AI cheating. So it has now sent coordinates back to that thing, and Ryan, you should be ready to move.
I am. So many choices.
Okay, so once again send it. This is now going to go. This is attempting a long shot, and
Okay.